If you're a contractor and you ask for a copy of the deck page or even a public adjuster, and you get this deck page from them, but there's some endorsements attached, policy language that seems to be attached. These are endorsements that are usually brand new for that year. These are changes that are made to the policy upon renewal of the policy. So they've had the policy for X amount of time, and then they just got these endorsements on. That endorsement time frame is important. If you have the full amount of language from that endorsement, it usually means that it's from that specific renewal. So if the storm happened before that renewal date, then that endorsement might not have even been in effect. So if that endorsement that's there takes coverage away from this claim, it's important you find out when the damage actually occurred and whether or not that endorsement was in place at that time. So when you get a deck page, you don't want to just get the deck page at any time, because this is the deck page that takes place between the policy period that's listed on the deck page. Maybe it's June 2025 to June 2026. And if the storm happened in March, then the forms that are listed on that deck page might not be the same forms that are listed on the March 2025 deck page. If the endorsement didn't go into effect until June and the storm happened in March, then you don't have to worry about that endorsement. So you need to figure out when the storm date is and then get the right deck page. So you would ask for the policy that is in effect on the date of loss and all the forms that would attach to it. That's what you need. And that way you know what was actually in the policy at that moment in time. I hope that helps you guys.